This video show you how to add a text field in an Android application. So for adding a text field, you have to add an edit text element into the XML file. So here I am going to add a text field into the layout. So for adding a text field, you have to add an edit text tag. So here I put the width as match parent, height as wrap content, and also provide an hint for the edit text using Android hint attribute. Enter a message. So if you run the application, you will get an edit text or a text field on the layout. So if the user places the cursor over the text field, the Android system will show up a keyboard. So this is a keyboard that contains only general characters. If you display the keyboard, if you categorize the keyboard based on the content of the text field, that will improve the user experience of your application. For example, if you want to type an email address in a text field, then if you show a keyboard that is suitable for typing email address, that will improve the user experience. Other example is if you want to type only numbers in a text field, then if you show a keyboard that is suitable for typing numbers, then that will improve the user experience of your application. Okay, so you can achieve this by simply adding another additional attribute for the edit text called Android input type. So here a lot of options are available. Suppose here I want to add an email address into this text field, so I change this one into input type into text email address. So if you run the application again, the keyboard is suitable for typing an email address. So here it is a general keyboard. This keyboard does not contain an @ symbol. So here I am going to run the application again. Okay, now I run the application again. Now look at the keyboard. Here you can see now the keyboard contains @ symbol. That means now this keyboard is suitable for typing an email address. Suppose here I am going to add another text field that is capable of only adding some numbers. Change the width into match parent, height into wrap content. Also provide a hint for the text field using hint attribute. Enter mobile number. Okay, I want to display a keyboard that contains only number for this text field, so I have to add another attribute Android input type. Here I need only number on the keyboard, so I put number. Now I run the application again. Okay, now here we have two text field on the layout. First one is a text field that is suitable for typing an email address. So if I put the cursor over the first text field, a keyboard is appear that is suitable for typing an email address. The keyboard contain an @ symbol. Now I change the cursor into enter mobile number field. Now look at the keyboard. Now this keyboard is suitable for typing a mobile number. Okay, so using the Android input type will give you a better user experience when you're using a text field in your application.